Hi students, how are you? Hope everybody is fine. Today let us discuss about conjunctions. First let us see what is a conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to connect words, clauses or sentences. First of all let me say what is a clause. A clause is a part of sentence which has subject and verb. And let me say you what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sentence. Now, the conjunctions are divided into three types. First one, coordinating conjunctions. And second one is subordinating conjunctions. Third one is correlative conjunction. First one is coordinating conjunctions. Let us see the definition of it. The conjunctions which join clauses of equal rank are called coordinating conjunctions. We make coordinating conjunctions by using and, but, still, only, yet, or, nor, else. Now let us see some examples. I went to the shop and bought a pen. Here, I went to the shop is a clause. I bought a pen is a clause actually. So, to combine these two we use and. So, we make a single sentence using and. I went to the shop and bought a pen. So, here and is a conjunction. Which conjunction it is? Coordinating conjunctions because it is used to coordinate these two clauses. Our next example is I am hungry but I have nothing to eat. Here I am hungry is a clause. I have nothing to eat is also a clause. So, to coordinate these two we use but. I am hungry but I have nothing to eat. Our third example is she didn't come. Still I waited patiently. So, here also still is used to coordinate these two clauses. Our second one is subordinating conjunctions. First one is coordinating and second one is subordinating. Now, let us see what is subordinating conjunctions. The conjunctions which connects a clause to another on which it depends for its full meaning is called a subordinating conjunction. They are when, while, where, though, although, till, before, unless, as, after, because, if, that, since. These are some of the words which we use in subordinating conjunctions. Now let us see our examples. The children were happy. These are some of the words which we use in subordinating conjunctions. Now let us see our examples. The children were happy when the film started. Here when you see the children were happy is a clause. The film started is a clause. So to combine these two clauses we use when to get its full or complete meaning. The children were happy when the film started is a subordinating clause. Here when is a subordinating clause. This is the place where we were pickpocketed. So here where is used for the two clauses to give its full meaning. You wait here till I come. I come is a clause. You wait here is also a clause. So to get its complete meaning or full meaning we use subordinating conjunction that is till. So you wait here till I come is a subordinating conjunction. Now let us see a third one, correlative conjunctions. Let us see its definitions. Conjunctions which are used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions. Till now, when we have seen in subordinating conjunction or coordinating conjunction, we have used only single word. But here in correlative conjunction, we are going to use pairs of words. So this is called correlative conjunctions. See the pairs of conjunctions here. Either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and, though yet. So here wherever you say there are two, that means there is a pair. So this pair will be used in sentence. That is why we call it as correlative conjunction. So first let us see our first example. Either you do it or leave us. Here either is a correlative conjunction. With either we use or. So either or is used here as I said. Either or is a pair of words or here either or are used in a pair. So here either you do it or leave us is correlative conjunction. Either or. So we must use in a pair. They could see neither the sunrise nor the sunset. Here neither nor. Here either or. Here neither nor. So when we use this in correlative conjunctions, we have to use only in pair. So here we have used neither nor. They could see neither the sunrise nor the sunset. Now let us go to our third example. Helen was both clever and beautiful. Here both and, these two are said as to be correlative conjunctions. Thank you.